The U.S. has a massive prison problem. In the U.S., 1 out of 3 black men will spend time behind bars in their lifetime, according to the NPR. There are more black people in prisons than in colleges and universities. While making up only 12% of the American population, African Americans constitute 49% of inmates, from the University of Minnesota.
The biggest reason for these disparities is private prisons. In private prisons, whites are underrepresented by 8 percentage points and racial minorities are overrepresented by 4 percentage points compared to the state prisons, according to Oregon State University. The abolishment of slavery led to the need for cheap labor and rise of the prison industry.
Governments opt to contract with private prisons because it is cheaper for them. A 2010 report by the Corrections Corporation of America admitted that a decrease in occupancy levels could cause a decrease in revenues and profitability. In 2012, they wrote to 48 state governors, offering to buy and operate public state prisons in exchange for 90% occupancy rate throughout the term, from Kessler.
Governments are forced by contract to lock up people. They turn to people of color for these private prisons. The main cause for this is the infamous war on drugs, where the U.S. government began overcriminalization of recreational drugs, specifically targeting minority populations. From 1970, when the war started, to 2000, the U.S. prison population has increased tenfold, according to the University of Minnesota. This institutionalized racism is one of the most serious problems facing our country today.
In Trevor Noah's Born a Crime, Noah discovers problems the prisoners face. The inmate population is completely backed up and it takes him a week to go free for a simple mistake that he made, with the possibility of being there for years. Prisons in America experience similar issues, with people staying in jail for years while not being able to fight their case.
We need reform through legislations to help these people. Biden has ended federal contracts with private prisons, but states are still free to do whatever they want and will continue to abuse the system. Call your representatives, tell them that you want them to end the mass incarceration, and do research about candidates to see where they stand on the issues.